English alphabet. Capital letter A. A for ant. A-U-N-T, ant. B. B for balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. C. C for cock. C-O-C-K, cock. D. D for diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. E. E for eye. E-Y-E, eye. F. F for fan. F-A-N, fan. G. G for game. G-A-M-E, game. H. H for hippo. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. I for idea. I-D-E-A, idea. J. J for jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. K. K for Kindle. K-I-N-D-L-E, Kindle. L. L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. M. M for mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. N. N for night. N-I-G-H-T, night. O. O for only. O-N-L-Y, only. P. P for panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Q. Q for quartz. Q-U-A-D-S, quartz. R. R for ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. S. S for snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. T. T for t-shirt. T-S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt. U. U for upstairs. U-P-S-T-A-I-R-S, upstairs. V. V for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. W. W for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. X. X for xenopus. X-E-N-O-P-U-S, xenopus. Y. Y for young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Z. Z for zookeeper. Z-O-O-K-E-E-P-E-R, zookeeper. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.